This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
How you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. It is September 9th, 2019. Going to do another little giveaway sponsored from Value Testers, UEI manometer, a little manometer, nice little setup, very common thing that people could use for checking gas pressure or static pressure. It's a very little tool, nice little handy tool to have, but this is going to be the next giveaway. Usually I do them on Sunday, but I was kind of busy yesterday, so I'm getting around to it today. And we'll put together a little video, and if you want to win this, you have to leave a comment in this section of this video. U.S. residents only. And next Sunday I'll pick a winner. So we'll give you, 6 days to be able to leave comments. I've been doing pretty good. I'm getting like 800 hits on the comments. And we'll do a random.org, and we'll pick a winner. One of my lucky subscribers. Nice little giveaway. UEI manometer. All right, wish you luck. UEI dual import manometer. Nice little giveaway. This is something anybody could use. Checking gas pressure, static pressure. Comes with a couple of tubes and some 1/8 adapters, a battery. Now I have the field piece one, but this one's nice. UEI EM201B. Little protective case. We'll put the battery right in here. Nice. It's got a couple of magnets on the back. Made in Taiwan. So that's going to be the next giveaway right there. So we're going to be doing nice little setup, quick and easy. UEI. Now I use some of the UEI stuff. I got some stuff from UEI. It's decent stuff. Got no issues with it. So that'll be the next giveaway. To one lucky winner. Alright guys, so over here, these are the people doing the giveaway, valuetesters.com. This is their phone number. They're a sponsor for my channel. They're the ones that are sending me this stuff to do giveaways for you guys. If you guys go and sign up over there, you get contactless discount, which is 5% off. If you have an account over there and you buy stuff, you get 5% off. I know a lot of you guys that have signed up over there. If you do have an account, you do get the 5% off. He's talking about something about doing a discount code for the guys that aren't signed up. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. But these are the guys that are sponsoring the giveaway, valuetesters.com. Big tool company. They have everything that you guys would need. And they've been sending me stuff to do giveaways every couple of weeks. So that's what we're giving away this time. It's Monday. Usually I do the giveaways usually on a Saturday or a Sunday or something, but I've been busy. So what you need to do is to leave a comment in this video. Value testers and UEI manometer. So value testers and UEI manometer has to be in the comment if you guys want to win. And I'm going to pick the comments from this video. U.S. residents only for shipping. And I'll pick the one next Sunday. So far we did like quite a few giveaways, and all the guys that got their stuff, value testers will print the shipping label. You'll have to leave me, you know, your name, address, and phone number, the winner, from the winning channel. Well, we'll talk about that when I pick the winner. Hopefully you guys win. For work. Are you ready? You ready for work? Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Are you ready for work? Oh, you love working. You love working.